What makes eggs float? What would happen if I used plain tap water, water with vinegar, and water with olive oil in 3 glasses to find out what liquids would make eggs float in, then adding different amounts of salt to see if the eggs would float? Hypothesis. If I put eggs in plain water and water with vinegar and olive oil and see if they floated with salt in them, I think that the olive oil would sink, and I think that the vinegar might sink. Take 3 cups that can hold at least 1 cup of water. Take 1 cup of water in each of the 3. Put half cup of olive oil and mix, then 1 cup or 1/2 cup of vinegar and mix that. Put 3 tablespoons of salt and mix, then put the eggs in and see if they float. Sink or float. So all of them without salt sank, and the olive oil took a little bit more to sink because it's probably more thick. And then with the salt, tap water floated with the salt. Olive oil sank, and vinegar with water also floated. Analysis. With no salt in all the different cups, they all sank because there is no salt to change the density. And then with the salt in the normal water, it floated. Same with the vinegar. And then with this amount of vinegar, it worked. But why didn't the olive oil? Did some of them float? Yes, they floated. If I would have guessed, I would have thought that the olive oil would have sank and that the vinegar would have floated.